Let's see what's interesting at the Tropical Rainforest Research Center, Faculty of Earth Sciences, Tropical Rainforest Research Center, UMK-TRaCe. So, let's go! UMK-TRaCe is a strategic collaboration mechanism between Universiti Malaysia Kelantan and Pulau Foundation, focusing on ecopreneurship hub, living lab field laboratories, and local and international research. Today, we will embark on an expedition rich in earth resources, flora and fauna, said to be among the oldest tropical rainforests in the world that is over 130 million years old. There are many exciting activities and expert sharing platforms covering research, entrepreneurship, and social responsibility programs for sustainable benefits attainment in preserving and conserving tropical rainforest treasures. This is a fascinating experience I've ever had in witnessing the breathtaking beauty of nature. Let's explore the natural world at UMK-TRaCe. See you soon!